Hey, if you are wondering what is the recommended charger for the Samsung Galaxy A07, so this smartphone supports up to 25 watts fast charging, which means that you have to use 25 watts USB-C power adapter. Of course, you can still use more powerful adapters. I've got two of them, the first one from Asus, and it's for 30 watts, but the second one I've got from Motorola, and it's 125 watts. So yeah, that's basically everything. 25 watts to reach the top speed for charging. Of course, you can still use 10 or 15 watts, but you have to remember then your smartphone is not going to charge at the full speed. And of course, the original adapters from Samsung are highly recommended to just get an original product, but if you have some other brands like Huawei, Asus, Realme, Xiaomi, Motorola, you can still use them, don't worry. You are not gonna damage your smartphone or, for example, your USB-C port.